Hi, I'm Scott Farquhar. I'm the CEO of Atlassian, and you're watching Seibert Media.
So hi, I'm here with Tobias Anstett from K15T. Hi Tobias.
Hi Christian.
We're here at Atlas Camp 2014. And actually Atlas Camp is more or less about all about Connect actually.
Yeah, basically.
So what is your part of K15T in the Connect development and?
Oh, well, so far all of our plugins are basically available behind the firewall.
Yeah.
So like Scroll Office, Scroll PDF, Scroll Versions, Scroll Translations, and a lot of others.
Mm-hmm.
And so far we just focused on behind the firewall, but also as Atlassian says that the future will be in OnDemand, we just trust them and believe the same.
Yeah.
So we already had a press release that we're really working on and keen on getting some of our plugins into OnDemand. Currently it looks like we can't get everything to OnDemand because the interface are a little bit limited, but that's why we're here at Atlas Camp just to discuss our issues, the problems we would like to have solved for OnDemand, and well, we will just see.
Yeah. You you have a bunch of people here around at Atlas Camp actually. I think
I don't know, 10 today.
10 today?
10
wow,
today, yeah.
And how much are you in total at K15T actually?
Oh, in total, I'm always counting our students with, because then
Yeah.
it gets easier, about 20, so it should
Wow.
be 14 full-time employed people.
Wow.
Basically, beside now kind of the back office or technical writers, basically everybody's a developer at K15T. So that's why we just 10 people at Atlas Camp, because everybody would just like to know what happens.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So another issue is there's a new product actually coming up, right?
Yes.
Acrolinx Connector. Can you say a little bit
It will
about
be called Scroll Acrolinx Connector for Confluence. So Acrolinx is a company, actually they also, like the Atlas campus in Berlin, they are located in Berlin, but they are a global player and act worldwide. So what they are selling is kind of a server environment which allows you to check for terminology, spell, grammar, voice and style. So a lot of companies use it. For example, if you're writing a text for a marketing asset, could be anything, and you're writing a CD minus player, terminology statement might be, oh, you're not allowed to do this, you should use compact disc player.
Okay.
So it enforces the same terminology across the whole company, which is very important. So if it doesn't depend if it's marketing or documentation, help articles, any kind of information you just communicate, you speak as a company with one single voice.
With one voice, yeah.
And we just, because Confluence, I think it's more than 17,000 companies using Confluence, and we're not talking about starter license, it's real
like
organizations,
the big companies or
like the big ones. And for them, it's really important to speak with one voice. So we talked to Acrolinx and did a pilot phase with a very big customer and decided to kind of market it as a product, and that's the result is Scroll Acrolinx Connector.
It's really nice. So you have something like a corporate voice, more or less. Yeah.
It's really nice. So it integrates in the editor. You just click a check button and it will highlight and flag the words in different colors with explanations and how to fix the issue. Like spelling, for example, very easy part. It will just say, oh, there's a L missing. Did you mean that word? Use these instead those. Oh, you forgot a noun in the sentence. So it really helps you improve the quality as well.
And actually, Stefan yesterday showed me a little product demo already, like a little screenshots actually.
And I can give you a demo afterwards. So.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Probably we could also record that because I'm really looking forward to see it.
Yeah.
But I actually had a little peek into your new tool. So there's also something like a traffic light system, like you have different colors marking the text when there's some issues.
What they do, they call it quality score.
Yeah.
It's a kind of quality metric, which I don't know how it's exactly calculated, but it just has a look at the spelling, terminology, everything you would like to check, and based on those values, the results, it calculates a value between 0 and 100.
Okay.
So it looks like if it's 0, it will definitely be red, and in some intermediate state yellow, and then it should be green. And you can also get a space-wide report over all pages, in which state they are. You can enforce a kind of bulk check, recheck of all pages. Although we recalculate the score every time you save the page to really, have visibility to the author and also to maybe managers or to the QA.
Sure.
What kind of state their documentation has.
Sounds really great.
Yeah.
Probably we can also do this product demo in the afternoon if we have some time, and then we just put in all the material in this video. So it would be great, actually.
I mean, Seibert Media is basically the first partner we're telling about, so we haven't done any press release. So this will be done, I think, in the next weeks.
Okay.
And we're also planning to have a webinar at the 24th of June.
Yeah.
I'm not sure at which time, but maybe we can, paste it
That
in video.
makes me actually really lucky and happy, and especially because Martin is not here and tried to get all this info. So that's really nice.
Yeah.
For all you folks out there who want more information about that, there's like a webinar coming up, I think, in some days.
Basically 2 weeks. So 24th of June.
Yeah.
We will announce it using our blog, using tweets, and
we will definitely put it here.
Have it in the video as well.
Yeah,
so join us. Would be nice.
So check that out for sure. So who's at the webinar? You and Stefan, or?
So the K15P part of the webinar is, I think it's presented by me, and then we have somebody from Acrolinx who tells you about what Acrolinx actually is.
Yeah.
I don't think you will get much insight in how their server works. But you will get a lot of insight how Confluence works and how you document with Confluence, and you can just use this feature to improve your quality.
Really nice.
Yeah.
So, and probably, for sure, at Summit this year, you will be also in San Jose, and so there's the possibility to actually get in contact personally with K15T and Tobias.
Yeah, and there will be some other news in Summit, and we can have another interview.
So we may not talk about this right now?
No.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So thanks for the interview, Tobias,
Thank you,
and
Christian.
let's have a look at your product afterwards, right?
Yeah, I'm also looking forward.
Okay, nice. Bye-bye.
Bye.
The extension you will see in a little while. What we can do now is we can create a branch right from the ticket.
So what you mean is that I can interact from within Jira with Stash, and there create a new branch in the Git repository.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So for any task that we work